Hey guys, Rachel and Jason with REI Blueprint. We want to talk to you about exit strategies. How do you get in and out of the deal? And it's something that's different for everyone. I think a lot of people say like, no, we're going to teach you how to create a rental portfolio. We're going to teach you how to rehab and flip a house or how to wholesale a house. And really how you exit a deal is custom, right?
Like and it's not how you got the deal. Like you don't go get a rehab. Right. You don't go get a short sale. You don't go get a...
Our marketing strategies allow you to exit any way that you want to do. So that's acquisitions, and so this is how you're going to get out of it. And it needs to be a custom plan. What works best for you? If you're trying to build cash, wholesaling would be exactly where you would go. Right. And so we want to dig in and talk to you a little bit more about that. And then when we see you at the event, then we can spend a little bit more time with you and guide you a little bit more on what you should be doing. A lot of our students do a combination of different things. When we started out, we had some incredible buildings that we could have used as rentals, where today we would have loved to have.
Absolutely.
But then that's not where we were at, right?
Yeah, at our time, our first 100 deals were essentially like a whole tail, right? So we got the property under contract, and then we found a buyer who was willing to pay more for it than what we had it under contract for. Those are the types of things that we'll be able to teach you. How to structure deals like that, what contracts to use, how to really, create the buyer pool for that and really make that happen.
Yeah, and people do talk about wholesaling. I kind of like that this was brought up, like about that's a way to get a house. And it's like, you can take any marketing strategy and you can wholesale that deal, right? So sky's the limit with that. And that's really where we purchase the property, and you may not even close on it, right? Like you may just do an assignment on it and you resell it to someone else the same day or within a short amount of time. Some of you want to rehab, like that's where it's at. And we've done a ton of rehabs. And there's something about that gratification when you take something that doesn't look so great and then make it look incredible, right? And so you're getting in and now you're looking for an end buyer. And that's who we're selling that property to. Some of you want to do lease options and build up like a monthly cash flow a little bit, right? So you get in, you get a buyer in, you get a down payment, and you start collecting like an override of the monthly rental payment.
So those are your exit strategies, right? We're going to cover exit strategies in detail, and I'm glad you brought that up because people get so confused with like, I want to do this. We're going to teach you how to get the deal, and then we're going to teach you how to identify how you want to exit the deal.
Your best exit.
Maybe you want rentals, maybe you want lease options, maybe you want that. We're going to teach you step by step exactly how to do those things. Get registered, guys. I'm telling you, it's going to be full, and we want to see you there. We want to help change your life. Let us know how we can do it. See you soon.
Can't wait to see you.
Bye, guys.